convert files which are already at CDataNet format. You have a set of MetaDLAS CDataNet files, and you want to convert it to ODV at once. So you take your set of several hundred of MetaDLAS files, and you run Octopus, and you will have these 700 of files at ODV format or NetCDF. That's the aim of Octopus, main aim, but you can do other things with it. So it can be also downloaded from the CDataNet website. It's also Java. It has been released last February. The main function is to convert CDataNet format, and it replaces, for those who know these tools don't exist anymore. Change vocab v1 to v2 is replaced by Octopus. Med to Med SDN is replaced by Octopus. Med to SDN CF point is replaced by Octopus. And ODV to CF point is also replaced by Octopus. So all these tools are no longer available from CDataNet website. You will only find Octopus there. We have new conversions available compared to the previous tools. And we have included the possibility to split one file, one multi-station file into several monostation files. And we have the possibility also to extract one specific CDI from one file. And finally, we have a checker there for ODV and a MetaDLAS format. So the possible conversion as shown on this slide, where you are here the input files of Octopus, and here the output format of Octopus. So you can convert CDataNet MetaDLAS with the old, for example, the old vocabulary to the new vocabulary using the tools. So all the green conversion are possible, red are not possible, but we will add some new one in the near future. So it's easy to use, very simple interface, where you have to select which file or which directory you want to convert. And then you can check the input format. Octopus will automatically detect if it's a MetaDLAS or ODV format. If the format is good, you will have a green message. If some errors are detected, you will have red messages. Like, for example, here, I think I zoom in. This parameter is deprecated. So Octopus will tell you, this is not a good parameter. You have to replace it. Or it will say that the label that you use in your ODV file for the 6th column should be latitude degrees north and not the one you have input in your file. So you have to correct your file and change the ODV label of the 6th column, and so on. So you have several check like that, and the same for MetaDLAS format. And we will implement soon the NetCDF checker in Octopus also. So that's the way I think now you should check your format. And we are open to receive your remarks on that, because nowadays, as you can see, it's not used anywhere. So maybe there are missing check and errors, and we will correct them.
It does not correct the error for you. You have to.
It depends which kind of errors. Yeah. For example, the deprecated parameters, they will be corrected soon. Up to now, they are not. But in the next version, we will put the right term. And I think this one, I'm not sure, because maybe it's in this column I find the temperature instead of latitude, so I will not correct it. You have to check the file. No, I don't know. So, as I said, you can split a multi-station file into mono-station file, or you can keep the input file as it is. It's a multi-station file, and you want to keep that as output file, so you can do it using this button, which is keep or split. And you can export to one of these three formats. And during the export, you can see that the export is OK. And you have a green message also. You can extract CDIs from a given file. So in that case, you have to use this button, which is show CDIs. Then you have the list of the CDIs in the files. And you can select only one or two CDIs. And then run the conversion to ODV, for example, or to NetCDF, but you have only convert one or two of the CDIs from your input file. And also, if you use the P011 instead of P01 or P061 instead of P06, you can change it at once using Octopus. A warning is sent to the user, but the conversion to V2 vocabulary is done automatically with Octopus. Octopus can be run in batch mode also with all these different arguments that you can see on the slide. I will not detail them. You also have a user manual, which is very simple because Octopus is really simple to use. You will see tomorrow. And we have a FAQ. I guess that there is only one question up to now in the FAQ, but still there is one. And we'll find also this presentation of Octopus on the website. Next release of Octopus, which will be also during summer, you will implement the NetCDF checker, the conversion from NetCDF to ODV, and the management of deprecated parameters. And that's it for Octopus. I'm open to questions if you have any.
So, not yet why there is